Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best multifunction car power bank in this video? I will show you the top 5 best multifunction car power banks to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Bovai Car Jump Starter. Specifications. Brand name, Bovai. Peak current, 1000 A. Fast charge, two-way fast charge. Item weight, 600 grams. Voltage, 12 volts. Conversion rate, 90%. Battery capacity mAh, 5000 to 8000. Number of built-in batteries, 4. Certified, say. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 is Car Jump Starter 18000F. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Peak current, 1200 A. Item weight, 4.9 kilograms. Voltage, 12 volts. Conversion rate, 80% 85%. Battery capacity mAh, 18,000 to 20,000. Number of built-in batteries, 6. Certified, say. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Basis 2-in-1 Car Jump Starter. Specifications. Brand name, Basis. Peak current, 1000 A. Item weight, 1.3 kilograms. Voltage, 12 volts. Conversion rate, 85% 90%. Battery capacity mAh, 8000 to 10,000. Number of built-in batteries, 4. Material, ABS. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is Yaber Car Battery Charger. Specifications. Brand name, Yaber. Peak current, 1200 A. Fast charge, two-way fast charge. Item weight, 0.636 kilograms. Voltage, 12 volts. Conversion rate, 90%. Battery capacity mAh, 20,000 to 30,000. Number of built-in batteries, 6. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bucher 4-in-1 Jump Starter. Specifications. Brand name, Yaber. Peak current, 1200 A. Item weight, 1.5 kilograms. Voltage, 16 volts. Conversion rate, 90%. Battery capacity mAh, 20,000 to 30,000. External testing certification, RoHS, FCC, say. Number of built-in batteries, 6. Origin, mainland China.